Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday, 17th May 2021. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite and one of the most popular time frame in the Forex trading. You can see market was in a range, okay, till here, and after that market started moving up. So right now the market's trend is towards the upside. Market is in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, and if we just look at this particular portion, then this chart is quite similar to the British pound Japanese yen chart, but unlike the British pound Japanese yen, it is an uptrend, whereas British pound Japanese yen chart is in a range right now. Okay, anyways, our Euro JPY chart is in uptrend, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunities, because it is wise to stay with the trend instead of going against the trend. If you are an experienced trader, you know how to scalp and all, then you can go for counter trade. Okay, otherwise if you're a beginner and you cannot afford to lose any money, you cannot afford to lose anything, then stay with the trend, do not go against the trend. Okay, so market is in uptrend, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunities. And as I always say, before executing any order, we should always look for the area of value. Before taking any impulsive decision, just find the area of value. So in an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the area of value is always near the resistance. So here the support, okay, support, we can see that 50 moving average is kind of acting as a support. I won't say that this is a very good support, okay, but it's kind of acting as support. Okay, so here, okay, let the market open on Monday, and after the market opening, okay, just do one thing, okay, just observe the price and see where it goes. Okay, if you see that price is coming down, okay, price is coming down, then just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price. If you see that price is taking support at the 50 moving average like this, okay, then you can go for a buy. Once you get the confirmation that yes, price has taken support, it is bouncing from the 50 moving average, there is price rejection from below, then you can go for a buy order at the 50 moving average. Or else, considering this overall trend, okay, considering this overall trend, the second best thing that you can do is wait for the stochastic RSI, which is in bought zone right now. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone. When stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone here, and when it will be going up again, because it is an oscillating indicator, it will be going up again. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be ready to go up again, just look at the position of the price. If you see that it is taking support at the 50 moving average here, or it is taking support at this level, okay, or on the other hand, if you see that it has crossed this particular level, okay, this level 132.78, okay, if you see that market has crossed this level also, then also you can go for a buy order. But be very careful, okay, in case you find the price somewhere around here, okay, then you do not need to buy. Okay, because you should not compromise with the trading discipline. As I always say, never ever compromise with the trading discipline if you want to become a professional trader, if you want to become a trader who will be trading in the Forex for a long time. Okay, so therefore look at the position of the price. If you see that it is taking support at the 50 moving average or here, then you can go for a buy order. Or on the other hand, if it crosses this level 132.78 level, then also you can go for a buy. Okay, we will get the confirmation that this level, market has crossed this level, and this level has become a support for us. Okay, this, when this level will become support, then also you can go for a buy order. Or else if you find a price in between or in the middle, okay, then you do not need to buy. Okay, only buy when market is taking support somewhere, or else market has crossed this level. Okay, best will be if market takes support at the 50 moving average, or if it crosses this level. Market is in uptrend, so you need to find the best price. Okay, do not buy anywhere, so and your risk to reward ratio will not match. If it comes down, then your heartbeat will be very faster. Okay, so wait for the best price to come to you. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. That's it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.